The innovation space housed in the Ginsburg Health Sciences Library contains a cutting-edge virtual reality system for students, faculty, and the Temple University community at large to explore with, learn from, and even be entertained by an assortment of relevant programs and software. Utilizing Steam VR and the HTC Vive array of virtual reality products, the innovation space is a perfect hub from which to dive headfirst into this technology. What you're watching now is 3D Organon VR Anatomy, the world's first fully featured virtual reality anatomy atlas. It is a multi-award-winning immersive self-discovery experience into the human body. With 3D Organon, you can manipulate bones, muscles, vessels, organs, and other anatomical structures in an immersive 3D space. In addition, the program allows for distance learning through virtual classrooms, a feature very much welcomed during this age of COVID-19 and social distancing we're all living in at present. We also offer Becoming Homeless, a human experience. In this immersive virtual reality experience from Stanford University's Virtual Human Interaction Lab, players spend days in the life of someone who can no longer afford a home. Interact with your environment to attempt to save your home and to protect yourself and your belongings as you walk in another's shoes and face the adversity of living with diminishing resources. Empathy is a crucial component to the educational experience of future medical professionals. Programs like Becoming Homeless immerse students in a life they may not experience themselves, but one some of their future patients may very well be experiencing during a critical moment of care.
Everyone's story is unique. In this first-person VR interactive, face the adversity of living without a home.
No VR experience is really complete without Google Earth VR. Providing a truly global perspective to users, Google Earth VR is one of the most popular ways to explore the scope and capabilities of virtual reality technology. One of our newest offerings is Nanome VR, a virtual reality experience that allows users to manipulate chemicals and proteins with their hands, explore chemistry and nanotechnology from a whole new perspective, collaborate with others, learn and create like never before. Like Organon's VR Anatomy, Nanome features a virtual classroom function to allow distance learning and in-class virtual sessions for instructors to illustrate their lessons on a micro level or a nano level. What you're watching now is actually a virtual exploration of the SARS-CoV-2 main protease, a component of the virus SARS-CoV-2 that's causing the COVID-19 disease all across the world.
And what we have here, the main protease, a number of researchers are working hard on this one to come up with inhibitors. There are some known protease inhibitors that work for other viral proteins, such as the HIV protease inhibitor nelfinavir, that people think might work here. But what's really cool, and that we're going to talk about today, is some of the new work to find new medicines that can inhibit this protease.
So we're going to go through a few techniques that people are doing and then actually see what we could then do in virtual reality on the medicinal chemistry structure-based drug design side. Let's start out with just this one in blue. And so over here, this is the new protease structure for SARS-CoV-2 that causes the COVID-19 disease. There's this main area of interest, which is this binding pocket right here. And if we look, we've highlighted a few areas in orange in the putty view. And so these areas highlighted in orange are all the differences between the beige structure, which is from the SARS outbreak in 2003.
And, of course, we offer programs where the focus is on entertainment and relaxation over learning. We don't need to tell anyone how stressful medical school is, so offering games like Beat Saber, Job Simulator, and perennial favorite Fruit Ninja VR provides students with a valuable way to unwind after studying for hours or just getting through with a tough exam. Actually, most of these games can help to improve eye-hand coordination in some way or another, so they're not just for entertainment. Or so we like to tell ourselves.
Hello, human. Welcome to an accurate simulation of office worker. Time to job. This looks like it'll taste interesting. Pistons in the engine, Tonitos.
These are just a few of the virtual reality programs and applications we provide to the Lewis Katz School of Medicine and Temple University communities in the innovation space at the Ginsburg Health Sciences Library. To learn more, please contact either of our innovation librarians at the emails listed below. And please do stop by the innovation space to try out this technology once it's safe to do so. Thank you.